Well, I'm doing a update on my video here. I went and got a couple bags of pellets to try it out. Of course, I've been tinkering with this thing for a while, so I'm gonna try to make this short. It's burning. I've got it almost set on the lowest setting. It's just keeping a fire in there, as you can see. It's, I don't know, 40, low 40s, maybe 39 or something outside. Right now it's daytime, about 4:30. So anyway, I got it firing up. I got the intake run to the outside, got my exhaust running, but here's the update on my heat exchanger to collect some heat off of the exhaust. If you're watching my videos, you'll understand why I did what I did. I'm not going to go through that, but like and subscribe and watch some of my other videos, and that'll give you an idea of what I'm doing. But anyway, here's my heat exchanger. Now, I don't have the fan on. Fan needs cleaned a little bit. It's an old one. But here's my heat exchanger. Let me zero out so you can get a little bit better look at that. Okay, I built this. Now, the purpose is these things burn efficient as far as the smoke goes, but the problem is most 50% of your heat's going outside. So anyway, I thought up an idea to capture my heat, and this is the design I come up with. I'll add to this as I go, and I'll tell you my plans, and if you like, subscribe and follow, and then you'll understand, you know, you'll see the add-ons I'll do to this. It's basically going to be a big radiator once it's done. I've got it clamped on there. Now, as you see, as it goes up, travels this, and it works its way down. And it's still forced air, and it comes out, and it's going to come out over here. And I just got this hooked in, so never mind the insulation sticking out here. I'm going to fix all that. But anyway, I got the clamp here, made a sleeve that clamped around there. Right now, it's on the lowest setting right now. It's warm. I can put my hand on there and leave it there, but it's getting pretty warm just leaving it here. So it's not extremely hot, and it gets even, it's about the same temperature. I'm gonna get me a heat gun and I'll do some little bit of checking. Now, right in there, you ain't gonna leave your hand on that. So my update of what I planned on doing is I planned on boxing this in, and then I'm going to put a fan on it. I'm going to box this in so air will actually, I'll either use an actual fan, or I'll see what the chimney effect does. I'm going to box this in, and then you'll see, then leave the top open. So air will constantly be going across this pipe. As you can see, I mean, I'll get a temp gun and show you what the temperature is. But of course, it's going to be hotter over here. Now, if I put this fan running on it, this actually cools down a lot to where you can actually put your hand on it. So this right here, you ain't gonna touch that very long at all. So, and it's the stove set on the lowest, pretty much the lowest setting. It's just barely putting, and I've got my fan on, and it's blowing pretty good heat out of it. Like I said, just like and subscribe. I'll give some updates of how this is working. I'll get me a temp gun, and I'll show you how at the different places that the pipe will get, how hot it'll get, and when I turn the fan on, how cool it gets. So what that fan is actually doing is it's pushing the heat off. It's basically pushing the heat off of this pipe, and it's pushing it off into the room. This is a lot of heat that's actually being extracted from the exhaust. So it's, I mean, you can put your hand right there and you can feel the heat in between these two things. But what I'd like to do is one day is get me some fins to put in each one of these all the way down. Just make a regular radiator. That way that metal strip will actually absorb a lot of the heat out of the pipe, and maybe I won't even need a fan on it. It'll just basically draw its own air. So I hope you like the design. This is just made out of regular muffler pipe, and I'm just trying to save some cost on heating my place. So, you know, I hope you like the design. You know, a lot of people are saying, oh, I wouldn't do that, or I wouldn't do this. This is America, and this is what we do. Well, we used to anyway. Not too much anymore. We just buy what we get and say that's enough. But anyway, be patriotic, like and subscribe to my channel, help me out, and I will do other inventions later on. Thanks for watching.